head coach ka Kyrwoh Ïalehkai football kari India Malono Marquez Roka ula pentep bo Sunil Chetri urang Ïalehkai ubala siapan rung biang sia ka Kyrwoh hadin khandai panai bola siamya karai song than Ïalehkai tangkat tukat ni Minit haka Ïalehkai paralok lani friendly match hapdang ke India bat ka Maldives ka banlong ha Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex polo ha Shillong haka janbet jong ka khat khandai tarik uluber araja arpusan Habakran sekilat pathai khubor haga khat pratari uluber araja arpusan uroka haringkat kajing don lang Mehtab Singh urang Ïalehkai defend jongkari ulakan tat ya kajing kali bau Chetri uday uba bujli yau no Ïalehkai winger lalian za changte ubadan hapadeng kajing mensau Kani kandai kasian kebeningkong ya kajala Meghalaya ban pediang penlong ya kajing Ïalehkai football international match ke Kyrwoh India kani aireng ha kani kajuk ke Jaka persya ya kari Bangladesh ha ka arpusan tari uluber araja arpusan kum shibenta ban ya kani rung syaka lempung Asian Cup
Preparation for the official game and it's similar situation than Maldives in this case when we play Philippines and obviously we want to win obviously but we know that the target in not only now but in the former FIFA windows was or is to arrive in the best conditions as possible for the first official game against Bangladesh on Tuesday.
पहला हमको बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है प्रैक्टिस है और बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है और पहला फ्रेंडली मैच है और हमारा फोकस है दोनों गेम पे स्टेप बाय स्टेप और पहले कल फ्रेंडली मैच है उसके बाद बांग्लादेश के साथ तो इस पे फोकस है स्टेप बाय स्टेप
We've been practicing very well. We have 2 games in front of us. First, we have a friendly game against Maldives, and we're taking things step by step. And then we'll face Bangladesh in the Asian Cup qualifying all important games. So we are preparing very well for both the matches.
I don't think that we will play with the same team that we play against Bangladesh. But obviously you cannot play 11 players tomorrow and 11. Well, you can, but maybe it's not the best if you want to prepare the game. But I'm very confident in all the players and it doesn't matter. It's not very important to play this or play that. I think that has to be a good game, good preparation for Bangladesh, and obviously some of them will repeat on Tuesday, but you never know what will happen during the games. But I repeat the same in my former press conference about this. Is the national team is not about the developed players. Developed players, they have to arrive. The main team, we need to win games. And if we need to win games, we need to call the players who are in a better shape. And obviously, Sunil, of course that he helped the young players, but I think that if you check the scorers in ISL, it's very clear who is the Indian player with more goals. Doesn't matter if he's 20, 40 or if he's my grandfather with 87, would be here in the national team. No, they play different positions. No, it's not this guy replaced this guy. It's more about we were 25, we lost one player, one winger, we called one winger. But in one moment we didn't call another player because we have a lot of players who can play winger. In the case of Champion, but both were in the list. Champion and Chetri, they were both in the list. I think it's not important if it's Chetri or another player. The important thing is that we need to score goals in open play, in set pieces, the centre backs, the midfielders, the wingers, the strikers, attacking midfielder. This is the main thing.
Nakaliang Ali Suzain, head coach ka Kyrwoh Ïalehkai nari Maldives, haringkat Usamo Ali. Urang Ïalehkai, ulaong ba ukmi lanti ya kajing Ïalehkai ka ba itanat, haswa ka Kyrwoh jung ukan lej banya aireng, bat ka Philippines, banya kun kani rung siya ka lempong Asian Cup araja arpunyo.
It's a preparation match for our qualification match against Philippines. We are playing against Philippines on 25th, and before that, it's a preparation match for us. But it's an important match for us too, because in this region, India and Maldives are the strongest sides at the moment, so it will be, I hope it will be a good match. It's not a tough challenge for me because I have been with these players for a long time, so I know them very well and I know their strength and their weakness and how to work on them. So even the players, they will have confidence on me. They have been with me for a long time, so it's not a big problem that we don't have league at the moment in Maldives and we didn't play so much internationals in these 2 years. It's not a problem. We are very much prepared for the match. Actually, Maldives is a football country. Each and every island has a pitch, almost pitches like this turf pitch over here. So it's a football country, and even from the government and all supports football. So for us, this match is important for the people of Maldives, and we will give our best for this match. There's no problem playing here. The problem is traveling difficulties. This was the problem. It takes 2 days almost from Maldives to here. So this was the problem for us. It's not playing in Shillong. It's not a problem for us. We are comfortable here. When we came, we knew that it's cold and even it will be windy, and most of our players has played a lot of internationals in lot of venues, so they will have this experience and they will handle it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai Khyndiat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shet yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya